Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's new tool day. Got this Southwire electrical maintenance kit, and this thing is actually a pretty cool kit. If you guys are looking for a gift idea for somebody that does car stereo work or any other kind of electrical work, this might be something to look into. Let me take this all out. We're just going to run through real quick what is in here. I got to take it out because there's no little things up there. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. Really? Oh. I'm trying too hard. Anyway, what we get here is we get our nice little Southwire multimeter. I actually have one of these separate. I really like it. It's very accurate. Kind of small. Pretty durable. We get our... I don't want to call these linesman pliers, but we're just going to call them multi-use pliers. You get your strippers in there, your heavy gauge cutters, and a linesman plier little front end. They give you some little crappy electrical tape that I probably wouldn't use for much of anything. You do get your 6-in-1 multi-use screwdriver, Phillips head, and then of course that's a P2. We pull it out, flip it over. And then you got your flathead there, standard size, and then we pull this handle out, get another flathead, and then pull this one out, and we get our #1 Phillips head. Alright, trying to see how fast I can kind of go over this in the video. Almost at 2 minutes, darn it. Alright, put that back. Here's your multimeter test leads. Here is your instruction booklet. Right there for the multimeter. I thought this was pretty spiffy. They actually give you some ATC fuses. As you can see there. You do get a GP 9-volt battery. And you even get some zip ties. I like this little knife right here. This thing is pretty spiffy. And it is a... obviously a folding lock blade with a little belt flip. Feels pretty darn sharp to me. Yeah, I'm sitting there and cut myself. Knowing me, I will injure myself in some kind of way. And we get our headlight. We get our headlight. Come on, headlight. There you go. And it operates off of AAA batteries, which should be. And there's your little strap for your head. And 9-volt up there. And they include your AAA batteries in there. There you go. That is, let's see if we can flip over and get a model number. I don't have any more affiliate links, y'all, so there is no point in... So I'm not making anything off of you guys getting this, just making y'all aware of it. Southwire EM-KIT. I guess the actual model number and UPC code is right there. You can pause it, focus, there we go. You can pause it, and there's everything like we just covered it comes with. And that's it, new little tool day and a great little gift idea for anybody doing any electrical work. So, yeah, that's it for this one. Catch y'all later. Oh yeah, I got a giveaway announcement to do, don't I? That's right, that'll be coming in a little bit. We'll catch y'all later.